Good morning. It is quite a gloomy day, apparently, but I think it would still be a very exciting day. So this is actually the first day of the actual Basecamp event. It will be the 3-day event that I will be attending in Vancouver, and it is going to be everything about SketchUp and their users and just networking and teaching each other and talking about SketchUp or their unique workflows and such. So it'll be quite interesting. I'm quite excited for it. Again, I'm about to head out there to check out everything. So that video is about to follow.
Yeah, I just arrived today.
Good morning. My name's Aaron Dietzen. I am the product content manager.
No, this isn't it. No, let's just do this.
I am Aaron. That part was true. I am Aaron Dietzen. A lot of you know me more as the SketchUp guy.
And I feel so lucky to get to stand up here and welcome you all to 3D Basecamp 2022.
Woodland, California. On to Montana.
Wow, I'm at Summit County. Came in from Vancouver.
Good morning, everyone. Just wandering around. Please stop doing it. Please stop doing it. Please stop doing it.
Start Basecamp now. Basecamp 2022 has officially begun.
It's a 360 camera, so it actually captures you looking at it.
No way. That's wicked.
East, north, south. So this is everybody who attended my session. You guys just wave and say hi. Thank you. Look who's here. Let me take your bag. How's the flight?
It was good.
I guess you can put in the bag so that you can just...
Limited amount of time you have to train is not indefinite. But don't come up with something that has to be done
Sitting there saying to yourself, man, I wish let me do some
All right, here we go. Great, thank you.
Thank you. So here I got a long friend that I haven't seen for a while, and apparently he was trying to take a nap and I interrupted him, so
That's right.
sorry about that. But people kind of do know who you are, but do you mind just telling some people who you are?
Yeah, totally. So I'm Justin. I run a channel called the SketchUp Essentials where I teach people how to use SketchUp.
We met at Basecamp. When was it? Was it
2018?
2018 at Palm Springs.
Yep.
Yeah, so it goes back until then, and he's been on my streaming before and it was really well received. So if I ever do streaming again, and then I would love to have him again. But yeah, there's cool people like him, so I just wanted to show you guys.
First time Vancouver, yeah.
Tell me you had a third. Tell me you had a third.
And then I give this to you. Yeah.
Okay, so then you'll just need to fill this out.
Okay.
That's for you to keep, and then we'll just need your name on it.
All right, thank you. So this is the second day of the base camp. I'm about to head out, and I actually happen to have another person in the room. My wife have joined me, so she'll be spending her time just going sightseeing, I believe. So she'll just enjoy a little bit of her time alone. I think we need to do breakfast first, don't you think? All right, so we'll do breakfast first and then check out the rest of the thing. So see you there.
Bye.
You made it!
Hey, good morning. Hi, how are you? I'm good, how are you?
This is Grace, this is Ted. Nice to meet you.
Uh-oh.
Just filming.
Camera out. Getting good content, yeah?
Yeah.
Yesterday was a day.
Yeah, I bet. So did you fly in yesterday?
Yep. Maybe we need to do that next time.
Oh, you only got one left, huh?
I'll gladly take this one. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, like just chill and vibe in a dark corner. We have also got you covered. This thing.
So from here we'll back out and pop open the materials panel.
very much.
Sure. How do I?
So Christina
That's a nice one.
just lent me a hat, so I'm wearing one, and I have a giant head, so it doesn't fit.
It looks good on you.
Well, thank you very much.
My hat looks good on everyone. It's a good hat. It's a good looking hat.
Good looking hat.
Everyone should have a bowler hat. Picture you wearing my hat.
I'll pose it for you.
Thanks.
Oh, I got it on camera. Absolutely. Well, this guy has been featured in my video. I was just looking at my video. I'm like, I don't remember Omar. I wish he was here. Well, there you are. Well, so yeah, he's a famous guy. This is what it is. Well, thank you so much for coming by and saying hi. Yeah. Okay, it is the third day of the base camp. Oh, hi. That's the noise that I was getting in the mornings. I got a friend here. Hi. You need something? Anyways, this is the third day of the base camp, which means it is the very last day. And what do you think so far? I mean, we're all quite tired from late nights and socializing, but we're feeling good about it, I think. Yeah. We'll do the final stretch of the final day and go check out the place and at least enjoy breakfast beforehand.
Yes, please.
And get the day going. All right. See you there.
Joseph.
Yeah, this time it's
Video, Mary. Make it count.
Make it count. Thank you.
Yeah. Safe travels,
Yeah.
Saying hi to my friend Mark right here.
Hello from 3D Basecamp, everybody.
Yeah, and we just finishing everything.
We're wrapping it up. We've got like these like happy, sad vibes now. We're not going to see each other for hopefully just only 2 years this time.
Yeah.
Because last time it was
too long.
Going on
Little too
4.
long.
Yeah. But it's been an awesome 3D Basecamp. I have curiosity, Joseph. If 3D Basecamp were in Europe, would you go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I would go too.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that's where it is. I'm just saying I would go to 3D Basecamp if it were in a part of the world.
It could be Europe, it could be Asia, it could be, I don't know, on an island somewhere.
I think people would come.
Yeah.
Anyway, you all should come to 3D Basecamp next time too. It's just been an incredible week of hanging out with like SketchUp minds.
I am so inspired, and I think I've just really needed this juice.
Yeah, definitely.
It's like my fix.
Yeah, I think a lot of people feel the same way. Like getting here this week and being around creative people again, and then getting to it's just so interesting when you see people like who are so focused on like one set of SketchUp problems that they like innovate their way through in a way that is useful to other people.
Wow.
Hey, I want to thank you for being part of 3D Basecamp.
Oh, thank you for having me here.
Yeah.
That was, go ahead.
Hang on, wait for it.
Wait, is this a video? That was a video. No, you good. Well, I'll see you around.
See you around.
Yeah.